BitChaser here. In our recent bite titled VMS Forever, we described the ability to refresh, extend, and warranty your OpenVMS-based systems. We thought you might want more specifics, so in this bite, we highlight a very specific example, how to manage your disk drives more efficiently, comfortably, and with less expense and exposure. Why focus on drives? Because over 50% of system failures are drive-related. Address the largest root cause first, right? Here's a relevant story. When I was young, we always took a leisurely drive on a weekend afternoon. No emergencies, no terror, no loss. We got away from our agendas and worries, and we enjoyed the day. Wouldn't it be nice to capture that same feeling with the hard drives under your care? Wouldn't it be nice to know when they're getting closer to failure and deal with them beforehand when it's more like a weekend drive than a ride in a screaming ambulance? Let's break it down. Disk drives are coated disks with tiny arms that zip back and forth across the spinning surface. All these mechanical components and surfaces fail. It's just a question of how soon. Bridges may be very visible parts of the infrastructure, but drives are hidden away, out of sight and out of mind. Even worse, most of the time we don't know in advance when it will happen. Yes, disk drive manufacturers have built-in protocols to isolate and stop using up to a certain number of blocks when they go bad, but beyond that, data loss sets in. At what cost? Depending on the industry, application, and size of business, loss of the data may be worth 10 or 100 or 1,000 times the cost of the drive. Loss of data in a drive holding large company financial apps could be millions of times the drive cost. We're all familiar with the effects of age. They affect drives as well. So let's make it graphical and look at drive health versus age. Let's plot the number of drive failures against time. 0 failures is best, so we'll put that at the top, and we'll represent new drives performing well by the green area, and drives passing the threshold of bad sectors into the area of poor performance, failure, and data loss as red. The path drives follow is the black arrow, starting okay, then getting progressively worse over time until drive failure and data loss occurs. The older the drive, the faster it deteriorates, and the sooner it impacts your business. How old are the disk drives under your care? When you replace them, is it with another old drive? Where on the deterioration curve does your replacement drive sit? How soon will it fail? And what's the business cost when it does fail? Mnemonics can help you remove these unknowns and manage your risk. We know which components fail and why, and we design around it. Our drives are stronger, last longer, and are more predictable, so we warranty them for 3 years plus. Not sure where your drives fall? Call Mnemonics. We have a software tool you can use to determine the real picture. Check us out. If your drive is part of an OpenVMS system, we have a solution for you. We have solutions for other systems and vendors as well. And in the rare case where we haven't yet addressed your drive, we can reverse engineer those drives too. Call and tell us about your disk drive nightmare. We'll help you have a more peaceful, predictable, and satisfying drive. Want more information? Contact Mnemonics for a more detailed webinar on this topic. BitChaser out.